Hey guys, y'all want to do a room tour? Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to room 9487 on the Carnival Celebration. Come in, come in. This is an interior room. It's different than most interior rooms we've had before. It's more square. It's not as long, but we kind of like it. We have a very nice refrigerator here, and we were actually able to store 2 bottles of champagne in there, and we can get plenty of water in there. This is one of the better fridges, and actually, well, it feels okay cold, but I did have it open, so it may get colder. We've got some drawers here. Hair dryer. This hair dryer is not, the other hair dryers on the ships are secured in. This one is in a bag, so that's different. Got some laundry bags we'll be utilizing. This is the little seats they had on the other ships we've been on. This one actually has storage in it. That's different. Plenty of plug-ins here, and USB. I don't see any USB, but oh, we got lights. Only 1 bottle of water. There's typically 2. We've got nice little reading light here. This room is equipped with a pull down for a 3rd guest.
Which luckily on this cruise we do not have.
Yay!
We left the grandkid at home.
We have closets here, and at first glance, when I looked at these closets, plenty of hangers. They have really didn't go with the hangers. At first glance, I was looking, I was like, there's nowhere to put my dresses, but these little shelves that I can't get, oh, there it goes. You got plenty of these shelves, and if you need to have a long dress in there, you can secure it. That's pretty neat. We like these little pull-out shelves. That's pretty cool. You're safe, standard. There's even a drawer for your shoes in there if you want to put your shoes in the bottom. Full-length mirror. A little harder than we're typically used to. I think we're reversed than we're typically used to. Bathroom. It's a little different as well. Glass door. No shower curtain sticking to you. We've noticed that we think this room may be a little smaller than some of the interiors we've been in, but the space is better utilized. They've used the space in a better way. And that's it.
All right. Thanks, guys, for joining us on our little room tour. And, of course, as always, if you want to see more videos like this, what do?
Like, share, and subscribe.
That is right. Woo! Until next time. All right, guys and gals, I think we might have missed a few things, so let's check them out. Now, of course, when you come into the room, on the back of the door, you're going to have all your safety information. It tells you where your muster station is and where your room's located and any kind of emergency information. But we go to the wall here, we do have our light switches. Remember, guys, you got to have that card in that for your AC and your lights to stay on. And just above that, well, there's your thermostat. Now, as we pan around this room here, just beyond the bathroom, we've got these hooks on the wall, which are awesome. You know, we got that snoozing for those late mornings. And of course, you're able to hang things up. Bathrobes, as you can see, our book bag, our little backpack, and of course, right beside the bed where Miss Alma is laying right there, there's like a nightstand type thing. And of course, you know, we mentioned the pull down, but in that very back corner over there, for those that get to stay in the pull down, there is also some USB plugs there as well. Ain't that neat? So the kids, they're up there playing on their game machines or whatever. I mean, you know, well, they can charge their stuff right there. And I'm gonna just flip on around here. Of course, right there, you're gonna have your your phone. That way you can call whoever you need to, like room service. You can scan that QR code for the menu. There are more QR codes to scan right there for safety info. You need some stateroom cleaning, different things, the spa, and then of course there's your information. And of course we do have a TV in the room. It's a nice size TV. So I think that's everything that we forgot to mention.